Welcome to Business Permit Online Payment Guide for using eTraps. So, sa paggamit pa natin ng online payments ng City Government Legazpi, either kahit anong browser po, pwede gamit either Chrome, Mozilla, or Internet Explorer. So, this time, since ang desktop po naka-default kay Chrome, gamitin natin si Chrome. So, click natin si Chrome. Then, open natin si legazpi.gov.ph, the official website of the City Government of Legazpi. So, nandito po siya, Legazpi City, the City of Panel-Venture. Click po natin. So, yan po ang main page ni legazpi.gov.ph. So, under online services, ito po, click po natin, online services. Then, under that page, hanapin natin po si Business tab. Nandito po si Business. Then, look for Business Online Billing and Payment. So, ito po siya. Click po natin, Business Online Billing and Payment. So, maghingi po siya ng email natin and CP number for us to proceed with applications. Kasi magbibigay si Atrax ng OTP na isasend sa atin, then babalik natin sa kanya para yun ang mag-intay natin for processing the application. So, for example, be sure po itong email address natin is active, and of course, itong CP number natin is working, no? Kasi pag hindi yan working, hindi mag-proceed si application. For example, email address ko, richardjuson@yahoo.com. Pag nagkamali tayo pag-input ng email ad, hindi po siya makaka-generate ng OTP kasi hindi talaga natin makuha yung OTP. Then, active CP number. So, just click next. Then, OTP. So, this time, nakasubmit tayo ng email ad. At the same time, na submit natin yung CP number natin. So, this time, maghihingi na si eTrax ng OTP na naisend na sa email natin. So, tingnan natin kung nandun na talaga siya. So, open natin ang email natin. For example, sa case ko, na powered by Yahoo. Then, open natin yahoo.com. Yahoo.com, tingnan natin si email ko. Napunod na siya. Then, Richardson. Then, input natin yung password natin sa email. Then, click next. So, tingnan natin sa eTrax inbox kung nandun na. So, nandito po, meron ng email sa akin si eTrax Legazpi. So, open lang na natin. So, this time, nandyan na po yung 6-digit validation key, which is 620-176. So, gawin natin. I-right click lang natin or highlights, then right click, then copy. Then, balik po tayo sa applications natin. Then, doon sa application, right click, then paste po lang natin si OTP para siguradong na hindi tayo magkamali sa pag-input ng OTP. So, nandyan na. Just click next. So this time, kailangan pa rin ng BIN ni eTrax in order for us to pass applications. The question is, saan natin kukunin yung BIN? Yung BIN makukuha natin dun sa order of payment sent to us by the BPLO, either in-email sa atin or dun sa SMS. So tingnan natin. For example, ako meron ng nasa na order of payment or records of assessment sa BPLO. So nandito lang po siya. For example, itong assessment records. So dito po sa assessment records natin, nandun po siya at the top right side of the assessment. So ito po siya, itong barcode. Sa baba po niyan, mayroon na number. Ito pong starting B137 until to the last digit. Yan po ang gagamitin na code. Huwag na natin isama itong first 3 digits kasi hindi siya kasama ng code ng eTrax. For example, i-copy natin. Then, copy. Copy. Then, send natin dun sa application. Balik po tayo sa application natin. Send natin yung bin. So, which is B137, 2024, 12, 25-2R. So, just click next. So, the moment na input po natin yung OTP natin, of course yung BIN, automatic na po yun, nandiyan yung records natin. Yun yung assessment kung ilang babayaran natin. So, kung tinan natin, ang total assessment is 1,644.03. Yun ang total payable sa na gusto babayaran for the whole quarter. But, we have options po. Kung gusto natin, kasi ang payments mo sa business taxes, mayroong option po tayo. Either mag-bayad po tayo ng full or mag-bayad tayo ng quarterly. Kung magbabayad tayo sa full or full, proceed na namin application. Just click next. Dito po, confirm payment. But kung ayaw natin magbayad ng full, gusto nating options, Click po lang natin. Meron po tayo dyan option facility. This portion, pay options. So this po, year bill is 2024. For example, gusto natin bayaran lang is 1 quarter. Click lang natin. So ang babayaran lang natin is the whole regulatory fees plus 1 quarter, first quarter of the business tax. Then maiiwan yung second, third, and fourth quarter. Pero kung gusto natin bayaran yung clinic natin yung second quarter, means to say, ang babayaran lang natin lahat ng regulatory fees plus first and second quarter. Then kung i-click natin naman yung quarter 3, ang babayaran natin lahat ng regulatory fees and business tax from first to second and third quarter. But pag tinik natin yung fourth quarter, means to say, lahat na po babayaran is full. So, click submit. So this time po, kung talagang babayaran natin siya ng full, gusto natin yung the whole amount na 1,000 plus, gusto bayaran, just click confirm payment. Siyempre, kung sino ang may-ari ng business, siya magbayad. So this time, paid by, input natin yung may-ari ng business entity, Richard V. Yuson. And of course, the working address, Taysan, Legazpi City. So, if really decided na po tayo na magbayad ng full payments for our business taxes, then click continue. So, meron po ditong text box to acknowledge and agree to the terms and conditions of the EPM facility of the City Government of Legazpi in compliance with the ATRAX and with the privacy law. So, just click. This time, the moment na click natin yung text box na yan, lalabas na yung mga payment partner ng City Government. Nandyan po yung DBP, either debit or credit cards. Nandyan po yung land bank, either credit cards or debit cards. And of course, nandyan po yung tinatawag natin yung malawakang payment gates. Yung Paymaya powered by Smart. And of course, the GCash powered by Globe. So, for example, napili natin tong GCash kasi ito, sabi nila, mas madali daw sa GCash. So, nandyan na yung e-wallet ng GCash, yung amount ng payments. But of course, meron din siyang convenience fee na 30 pesos. So, itong 30 pesos na convenience fee ni GCash, i-charge to doon sa total payments na payable natin. So, yung 1,644 plus 30 pesos convenience fee, so definitely, ang total payables natin is 1,674. Kung amenable na tayo sa amount na yan, just proceed with the payment. So, this time, si Trax po, magko-contact na kay partners natin, which is GCash. So this time, magbibigay siya ng QR code. So this time hindi po tayo mag-proceed with the payments kasi this time wala tayong GCash na wala akong mabayad sa GCash kasi online to. Kasi kung mag-click ko natin yan, magbabawas yung GCash ko. So that's all po. Ganun lang kasimple ang online facility ng City Government for online payments. For more question po, pwede kayo mag-email sa amin. So that's all po. Maraming salamat and mabalos.